Sir, good morning.
Good morning, Namaskar.
Namaste, sir. So, shall we start, sir?
Yes, sure.
Yes. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. I welcome you all on this pleasant morning for the program of inauguration of the Android app on anemia in pregnancy. We are very fortunate and happy to have Honorable Shri Shripad Naik sir, Union Minister for Tourism, Union Minister for Ports and Watermarks, Government of India, as a chief guest for today. We welcome you, sir, from the bottom of our heart. We all know that maternal mortality is one of the major problems in front of us since many decades. Understanding medical risk factors, early screening strategies, and effective prompt management has reduced the maternal mortality rate in last 5 to 10 years. Anemia is such one of the major important disorders in pregnancy. So now I would like to invite Dr. Gorakh Mandrupkar, the man behind this program. Sir has developed this Android app on anemia in pregnancy. He is the gold medalist of Pune University. He has national contributions on almost all the medical disorders in pregnancy. He is the honorary member of various committees like PPH, PCPNDT of the Government of India since many years. He has been part of Indian national guidelines on postpartum hemorrhage and maternal near-miss mortality. He himself has drafted Indian guidelines for hypertension in pregnancy. Invention of Justosis score, a simple screening tool for prediction of preeclampsia in pregnancy, is a feather in his cap. I present to you a great academician, clinical researcher, Dr. Gorakh Mandrupkar.
Thank you, madam, for those.
डॉक्टर गोरख तुम्ही म्यूट आहात.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Am I audible? Right. Namaskar. On the occasion of Matru Suraksha Saptah, I would like to start with Rucha. Nasti Matru Sama Chaya, Nasti Matru Sama Gatihi, Nasti Matru Samam Tranam, Nasti Matru Sama Prapa. Namaskar. Our nation, our vision, Anemia Mukt Bharat, safe mother, safe child. We give you our warm welcome by heart and thank you for gracious presence today for the program of inauguration of Android mobile app on anemia in pregnancy. Honorable Sri Shripad Naik, Sir, Union Minister, Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. Sir has been honored as the first Union Minister for the separately formed Ministry of Ayush in the Government of India. Also, sir has successfully handled the charge of Union Minister of State, Ministry of Defense. Since 1999, last 23 years, sir is representing there in Assembly of India. International Yoga Day and international recognition to the concept of yoga for cure of many diseases are the heights of his achievements under the leadership and guidance of Narendra Ji Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India. We welcome you again, sir. We are obliged and thankful to have you here for the inauguration of Android mobile app on anemia in pregnancy. Also, I welcome Dr. Sanjay Gupte, who is the Secretary General of the World Justosis Organization and past president of FOXI. I welcome you all, my seniors, colleagues, and friends. Few lines about this program. Anemia Mukt Bharat is the dream of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Ji Modi. We all know anemia during pregnancy is a serious global health concern. WHO says 32.4 million pregnant women suffer from anemia. Moreover, 50% cases of anemia are due to iron deficiency. And it increases the risk of low birth weight babies, preterm babies, increased maternal and perinatal mortality. Almost 5,91,000 perinatal deaths and 1,15,000 maternal deaths are caused globally due to anemia. In India, the prevalence varies from 40 to 60% among the various states. In 2018, our government has reformed the anemia control program in Anemia Mukt Bharat program. Sir, since then, we at different gynecological organizations, we are arranging informative programs for the doctors as well as beneficiaries, and we are working in line with Government of India. I urge and request you that we can start a good Apex Institute for research on anemia in the state of Goa under your guidance under this program. And even we can go ahead for the medical tourism in Goa state. Sir, at Mandrupkar Clinic's Center for Health Skills at Islampur, we are constantly doing research and planning skill-based activities for healthcare workers at all levels. Sir, we have already launched the Android app based on HDP Gestosis score, which is a screening tool for hypertensive disorders in pregnancy. And sir, I am very proud to say that this is used across India successfully. And today, we are ready to launch another Android app at the gracious hands of you, sir, Honorable Sri Shripad Naik, sir. May I request you, sir, to declare that this app is being inaugurated and launched successfully. Over to you, sir, for inaugural speech. Thank you.
I declare
Namaskar. First of all, I declare that this app is inaugurated. Namaskar. The dignitaries who are present for this webinar: Dr. Gaurav Mandrupkar, Madam Sahi Mandrupkar, Dr. Tripti Sharma, Dr. Sanjay Gupte, and other dignitaries who are present for this seminar. We are seeing a more turbulent world with greater uncertainty and instability due to current COVID-19 pandemic. That every nation finds deeply unsettling given its broad special temporal extent and the social distancing measures required to contain it. On the other hand, we must also recognize that this is the transforming us at multiple levels and across wide-ranging context. The healthy women and children are the backbone of the healthy society. Anemia is a severe public health problem affecting 41.8% of the pregnant women worldwide. Anemia is a major cause of maternal morbidity and mortality in the developing countries. India contributes to about 80% of the maternal death due to anemia in South Asia. Pregnant women do not give priority to their health, since most of them are engaged in various activities throughout the day. Despite taking up National Nutritional Anemia Control Program to prevent anemia among the pregnant women, the prevalence of the anemia in India is 65 to 75%. The Anemia Mukta Bharat initiative aims to further strengthen the existing mechanism in the country and foster the certain newer strategies to tackle anemia. the focus to accomplish the envisaged targets under the Poshan Abhiyan. With new challenges come new opportunities. For a developing country like India, what matters most is how to seize the opportunities, overcome challenges, and make the situation more stable and equitable in serving development and prosperity of the nation. I am pleased that Dr. Mandrupkar and Mandrupkar Clinic Center for Health Skill, Islamabad, Maharashtra, has taken step forward to develop the mobile app Cross 11 for anemia in pregnancy. I hope that this app will facilitate in screening the pregnant woman for anemia, which will help in early detection and early intervention for reducing the maternal mortality. I congratulate the team and wish success in this endeavor. Thank you very much. Jai.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for those kind words. And actually, your Ashirwad, it means a lot for us. Sir, I will just share the demo of this app in a minute, and then we will take the leave. Sir, we have prepared this app, the Cross 11, and just you have declared that it is inaugurated. So now it will be available on Google for everyone. So once we go on this app, and when we go on the home page and about, then we have given all these statistics. At the end, sir, we have given the Anemia Mukt Bharat guidelines as well, so that those doctors who are using this app, they will be directly going on these guidelines, so that everyone in India will work on our same Anemia Mukt Bharat guidelines. So when we start this app, some clinical investigations like hemoglobin and all, it comes. And later on, when the further things like MCV and etc. they are seen, then this app starts. We have given many simple things, simple investigations, which are not costly and which are easily doable by any gynecologist or any doctor on any patient. Sir, as you rightly mentioned, mainly it is the iron deficiency anemia, which is a problematic. And when in our Anemia Mukt Bharat guideline they came, they have given this beautiful thing, that parenteral iron therapy, it is ideal and it is recommended. And newer preparations, they are very safe. And through these guidelines, we want to show to the world that yes, India definitely can overcome with these simple solutions. So in this app, even beautiful calculators are being given, where directly we can calculate the iron dose. And later on, which molecule the doctor wants to use, it comes here. How it is to be used, that comes here. And safely, our women, they can be handled. So the last thing I would like to show is the diet design. So here, if anybody wants to see which is the iron-rich diet, then the beautiful things are given here. If they are vegetarian, only vegetarian sources will come. If they want non-vegetarian sources, likewise, the sources, they will come. And these things, it will give the idea to the doctor as well as to the patients to what to eat and how to eat. So, sir, thank you very much. We will not take your much time. We know all that how important you are for the nation and how the time is very important for about you. So thank you very much, sir, again for gracing this occasion. And I request Seema Mandrupkar, sir, who is actually, she's my sister-in-law, and she is actually IT person who has helped me in developing this app. So 2-3 lines she will talk regarding the vote of thanks, and then we'll take the leave. Over to you, Seema Mandrupkar.
A very good morning to all. On behalf of MCCHS Mandrupkar Clinics Center for Health Skill, Honorable Minister Sri Sripadji Naik sir, we thank you for your precious time and guidance. Sir, we are very grateful to you for gracing this occasion and inaugurating Cross 11. Thank you, sir. We would like to thank Sri Uday Kori sir, Zaili madam for your guidance and kind support from Ministry Office. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Dr. Sanjay Gupte sir, you are at the place of Guru for entire gynecology fraternity. We sincerely thank you for your presence and guidance in our journey. We thank Dr. Mugdha Rektrekar madam. Without you, this inauguration ceremony wouldn't have been possible. Thank you, madam, for your valuable time, kind support, and gracious presence. Dr. Trupti Sharan, senior gynecologist from Delhi and vibrant writer in English literature. We thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule for analyzing this app and providing valuable inputs. Thank you, madam. Dr. Sai Mandrupkar, senior gynecologist. We thank you for conducting this ceremony nicely as a master of ceremony. Thank you, ma'am. We thank each and everyone who helped us directly and indirectly to make Cross 11 happen and its launch today. We thank each one of you present here for sparing your valuable time and attending this ceremony. Thank you all.
So thank you very much, sir. And I will be very happy if I can do something for the Goa state.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much
Yes, sir.
under your guidance.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, sir.